I'm going to make an I-cord shawl cast on using a cable stitch holder. You could use another strand of yarn, but the stitch holder is more convenient. You begin by taking the end of the yarn and making a slip knot. This is the end you'll use to weave in at the end. Thread the slip stitch onto the stitch holder. Hold the stitch cable with left middle finger and thumb and hold the yarn over the index finger. Grab your needle and hold with the right hand fingers over the slip knot. You will now make a provisional cast on by putting the needle under the stitch holder, grabbing the yarn, over grabbing the yarn, and under again. This leaves you with 3 stitches on the needle. Hold the stitches and pull the cable needle all the way through so the stitches will be on the left hand needle. Now you will knit like in any other I-cord. You will knit 3 stitches. In this case, we will make 5 rounds. We will knit 1, 2, and 3 stitches and then move them back onto the left hand needle and then repeat. Do this 5 times. Third row, 1, 2, and 3 stitches. Move the stitches back. 4th row, 1, 2, and 3 stitches. Move them back to the left hand needle. And the last row, the 5th row, 1, 2, and 3. So now you have an I-cord of 5 rows. Now we will hold the I-cord like this and pick up and knit 3 stitches from the I-cord, going through both legs of the stitches. First one, 1 and 2 and 3. These 3 stitches will form the main area of the knitting between the 2 I-cords. And now it's time to transfer the provisional cast on onto the needle. Move the working yarn in front of the work and turn. Here you see the slip knot. Turn the slip knot up and away from you. We will leave the slip stitch, but transfer the other 3 onto the right hand needle, like so. And then you can pull out the stitch keeper. And now we can take the slip stitch and unravel it. And here you have an I-cord, 3 main stitches, and another I-cord. The first row is a kind of a set-up row, knit from the reverse. Begin by knitting the 3 I-cord stitches. Knit 1, 2, and 3. The main stitches are purled from the wrong side, and then you're left with a second I-cord. Transfer those stitches with yarn in front purlwise onto the needle. And now you have the I-cord shawl cast on. The I-cord will move to the right and to the left, and then the main area will grow from the center.